Tonight, the CDC changing their guidelines when it comes to quarantining. The agency now saying if you come into contact with someone who has the virus, you only have to quarantine now for 5 days, down from 10 originally. That is if you're asymptomatic. Now, this as holiday travelers try to make their way home. COVID-19 case numbers are soaring, even if many flights are not. The nation's airlines canceled thousands of flights again today, some because of bad weather, but many others because of a lack of airline staff grounded by COVID infections. Chris Pallone is in Washington tonight with the very latest.
Welcome, Mr. President.
President Biden assured the nation's governors his administration is ready for the worst of the Omicron surge.
My message to the governor is simple. If you need something, say something.
But he admits to being caught flat-footed in ramping up testing before the holidays.
But it's not enough. It's clearly not enough. If we'd known, we would have gone harder, quicker if we could have.
In New York City, where new vaccine mandates take effect today, new testing centers are up and running in 2 subway stations. The White House promises 500 million at-home tests will be available by mail next month.
I was looking for the home test and I couldn't find it anywhere.
Some states are setting record highs for new infections, and hospital ICUs, like in Minnesota, are at capacity.
Most days were completely full.
Some data appear to show Omicron cases are more mild, but that's not true for everyone.
I would say the vast majority of people coming into the ICU are those that are unvaccinated.
The nation's airlines blame COVID and bad weather for thousands of flight cancellations in the days leading up to Christmas. Thousands more flights have been canceled today. The CDC is now considering cutting the mandatory isolation time for workers in some key industries who test positive to blunt the Omicron impact.
If they have an essential job, we want to get them back on that job before the 10-day period. And that's what's just being discussed very seriously now by the CDC.
Last week, the CDC cut the time healthcare workers have to isolate after a positive test from 10 days to 7. So far, the Biden administration has resisted calls for people flying in the U.S. to be vaccinated. But today, the president's top COVID advisor, Dr. Anthony Fauci, said it's something that should be seriously considered. In Washington, Chris Pallone, NBC News.
So while the federal government is focused on ramping up COVID testing, it's still a little hard to come by. This is video from Texas, but the scene was really the same in both Yuma and Imperial counties. Cars wrapped around the block at both Sunset Health and the Regional Center for Border Health. Thousands of people rushed to testing sites before and after the holiday, and the long lines may be here for at least the next few weeks. At-home test kits are also sold out, and appointments at CVS are full several days out.
People have stopped wearing their masks. They stopped being cautious. They're fatigued with the whole thing, and they're getting out there, being around people, and they're just spreading it like wildfire.
Yeah, the burnout is real. So again, testing is important because you could have no symptoms at all, but still test positive and spread the virus onto others. So statewide, Arizona is reporting 7,000 new cases today. Yuma County is reporting 92 new cases today. As mentioned, YRMC is reporting 2 new deaths. This is not reflected, however, in this update. For Imperial County, they provided us with an update over the weekend. 123 new cases in Imperial County, and sadly, 2 new deaths. Even during the busy holiday week before New Year's, there are a few dozen coming out to get the shot. 89 new doses administered today in Yuma County, 50 in the Imperial Valley. And the number of COVID patients has remained relatively stable at Yuma Regional Medical Center. Right now, there are 69 patients hospitalized. Among them, only 11 are vaccinated. A total of 20 patients are in the COVID ICU. The hospital is also reporting 2 new deaths again. However, these numbers have not yet been reflected by the county's daily update.